Welcome to Life Fruity Vitamins, your sanctuary for health and wellness. Today we invite you to escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life and immerse yourself in the embrace of nature's soothing embrace. Close your eyes and envision a serene forest, untouched and vibrant with life. As gentle raindrops commence their descent, they paint a symphony on the leaves of the majestic trees. Each droplet dances gracefully, like tiny messengers of tranquility, nourishing the earth and refreshing the soul. Picture the tranquil sound of rain falling upon the lush green canopy of the forest. With a gentle pitter-patter, the rain creates an enchanting melody as it harmonizes with the grass below. Its rhythm is a lullaby whispered by nature, caressing your weary spirit and carrying away the burdens of the day. The purity of rain knows no bounds. As it traverses the atmosphere, it washes away impurities, dust and worries, leaving behind a renewed sense of purity and clarity. Its touch upon the leaves and petals of nature's canvas is a gentle blessing, bestowing untainted vitality upon the world around us. Now, take a deep breath and let the symphony of rain carry you to a state of deep relaxation. Feel the coolness in the air as the raindrops bathe the forest in a tender embrace. Allow yourself to be surrounded by nature's serene orchestra as it whispers tranquility to your every sense. As we near the end of this immersive experience, let us share a wonderful countdown from 10 to 0. With each number, breathe in the serenity of the rain, and as we reach the final moment, let any lingering stress or tension dissolve, allowing your mind and body to find solace in the present. You have now reached a state of tranquility. We hope this serene journey has brought you the peace you deserve. If you enjoyed this experience, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Life Fruity Vitamins, and join our community of wellness enthusiasts. May the sound of rain continue to soothe your soul and inspire you to lead a balanced and healthy life. Until next time, stay vibrant, take time for yourself, stay fruity.